Hey guys, James Erickson from GetTheBite.com, also president and CEO of EMC Dental Marketing. And a few weeks ago, I gave you a tip on social media and Facebook and Twitter specifically, saying that if you wanted to use them correctly, you needed to upload more media and more pictures to them. And I got a few questions from people wondering what I use to edit photos or what I use to add testimonials to photos when I want them to be included in the same file. And now I use a couple of other programs that I've spent a lot of money on, but I'm going to give you a free resource to do so. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So we're going to go from getthebite.com to a place called picnik.com, Picnik.com. And what Picnik is it's a web application that allows you to edit pictures for free. So all you do is once you get to Picnik, you click on the Get Started Now button. You don't have to register at all, no email address, no anything. It's going to take you to a page like this, and it'll take a little bit to load up this application on your computer. But what you can do is take any picture you have and modify it and change it and add. You've seen those vintage effects and all those filters. I'm going to show you real basic and simple thing to do to your pictures to make them better. And ways that you can add a little bit of personality or a little bit of explanation to them, just adding some text to a photo. So what you want to do is once you get to this page, you're going to click on the Upload Photo button up here in the upper left. It's going to bring this up and you can pick which picture. I'm going to take a picture of me whitewater rafting this last weekend, and I'm going to go ahead and open that. It'll open the picture in the photo editor, and there's a bunch of very basic things right here. If your colors are a little bit off or something else, you can click the autofix button and Picnik will do to it what it feels like it needs to do. But I don't feel like I need to change this picture much. It's a little grainy, a little beat up, but I think it gives it something. You know, you kind of see the white water splashing in the background. So I'm going to go up here to Basic Edits, and I'm going to click on the Text Edit. And what Text Edit will allow me to is add text to this picture. And I'm going to add some text. Of course, you know I can't type and talk at the same time. Say the staff here at EMC went whitewater rafting. Whitewater rafting last week. We work hard, but we play hard too. All right. So make sure make sure my edits are all good. Hit enter there, and I'm going to click add. Now you notice that it did add my text over the top of this, but it's gigantic. So all I do is up here in the text properties, I can change color, I can fade it in and out, I can make it bold or italic, or I can change the size. I'm just going to shrink this down to a good size. And I'll take, once I put my arrow in the text, you notice it turns into one of these four-way moving arrows. I can drag it up here. And perfect. So that's all I wanted to do was add text. Now you can see how this would work if you had maybe a before and after picture of a patient that you did a veneers on or a full mouth reconstruction, some sort of major treatment on that gave you a testimonial. You can take that before and after picture, load it here into Picnik, and put the words of their testimonial right on the picture. Or again, if you did something like this, took them out for whitewater rafting, or if you had an event of some kind that you wanted to put an explanation of, maybe this is Joe and Carla from our office enjoying a hot dog at our weekend barbecue, etc., etc. Really powerful for testimonials though. If you want to put testimonials on your Facebook page, you want to share them on your Twitter profile, you can do something like this and have your description or your testimonial right in the picture, so you know wherever that picture goes, that testimonial gets shared. Now you can do a couple other things too. You can put your logo on here, you can touch it up, you can take away red eye if there's any red eye in your pictures, but that's all I'm going to show you how to do for right now. You can go in Picnik yourself and play and change and do whatever. And once you're done with all the edits you want to make, you just go up to the Save and Share button, and you're going to click that, and it will give you information that you can change. So I'm gonna change this to Big Eddie Edit, and those are how big the picture is, which is fine. It gives you a couple of different form types. JPEG is always the best, kind of the most widely used one, and then you just click Save Photo and it brings up your Save Photo dialog. I want to save it on my desktop, and I click Save, and it says you've saved your picture. So that's it. You know, I can continue editing that picture. I can close the photo and start another one. I can also go and click start printing, and what that'll do is take me to a third-party printer where I can get postcards or whatever, coffee mugs, etc. I don't know if you want a patient testimonial on a coffee mug, but a very simple way to put some words and text on different promotional items. So that's it. That's Picnic. If you give it a try, let me know how it works. If you want any more information on it, I think you just go in and play around with it. It's a lot of fun little tool that you can make different changes to different pictures. So that's it for the Byte this week. If you don't get the Byte, go to getthebyte.com, enter your name and email, click the subscribe button, and you'll get an email like this every Thursday. That's all I got for you today. We'll see you next week.